Since Amazon's API has certain restrictions around it and SoStock pulls so much data, we do update your data now twice a day. And there is also a manual way to refresh that data. So if you go to the settings page and go to the inventory settings page, you'll see there is a section that asks you, well, one, we normally pull data between midnight and 3 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, or PDT. And then when would you like to have a second data pull? Okay, so we set a default in 3 hour chunks, but you're able to come in here and actually set that time, that secondary time. So if you are somebody who likes to work later in the day, or let's say you're in Europe or in different time zones, you're able to set this second data pull so that it's happening and finishing right before you would get up. Now, for example, let's say you would get up in and you have a time zone calculator here. Let's say local time is for me, San Francisco time, PDT. Set your local time and see when it would convert, and then you can set this secondary data pull to finish an hour or two before you get up or you typically do your inventory work, so that you know we've always pulled fresh data for you. There is also a manual update that will allow you to click that. Now, we do restrict the amount of times that you can click on the manual update to prevent any throttling or issues, and you'll get an error message if you can't do that. But now you're able to really refresh data, pull unique data, not unique data, but pull data more often without getting your account throttled by Amazon. Now, something to keep in mind, what we do update, we will update your FBA inventory. Then it'll go and pull your FBA shipments, and then it will go into your forecast, the last thing, and recalculate all of your forecast data. Okay, so that can take anywhere between, depending on if the server's really heavily loaded with a lot of requests, 1 to 3 hours, or in some cases it can be as fast as 20 minutes. But please do give it up to 3 hours, and when it's done, the manual update icon will have stopped spinning. Usually when a update is in progress, this loader will be spinning.